sister Izzy. Enya where you guys enya where you want back.
I'm waiting already.
Maybe a networking.
Mama, I feel you understand the way. Why ignore who does see way, Nika?
Who don't see me? He said, "Well, Saga, they big one."
Mama, can't worry. How you want to block
me
me?
Sonia.
Blocking your fair, my sister. Me begging ya. I get blocking ya. I get begging ya, my love. No, we move on. Ni a movie. We move on. Ni a movie. Oh, women for women who work by family na my we all say I cannot just a friend.
You see me na me family.
Na we see I dia masu we, tia masu we. We move on see ni aruwe poto. We la we tia poto see ma. Here is the
I'm a Saga no me man like. Wow, you see mama son of since they talk the truth. Why tell matter? Oh, we man Saga you. We man go to is your king no ye Saga. Abi wa ni o is going to you when you are.
Adam any agua lọ́nà where those no ask you where ladian more. Adam please.
The truth is that he Sharon my ladian today. Awa
my Sharon.
I don't know I pass you. You know Mama Sharon reach me.
Iye Sharon my ladian one.
Sharon gini. E me de gele ajaji wo ko ni ogele gi e. So inyeri unye le na ge. Social media people.
How you dey look me like us? I don't know I pass you. It's like you know reach me.
But when we were seeing her,
for your face, send them. Or come on face to face or your tie. Or when you're Guinean.
yeah.
For your sanity.
We move on.
Laho. Move on. Or my Izzy la wo try.
Yes, what blocking your face?
What try laho.
No,
for
your
sanity.
Yes, I got with you. Blocking ya, my love. Blocking ya.
Laho. Oh my Izzy.
Mommy, that's not you. May I play record for you? Mama, may I play record for you?
Move on, we record
Wendy, why you say what you don't know?
You look like
Easy, my sister, calm down. You see, this matter from the onset, even since last year, it might think of by because there's one thing about me, I'm not a spirit, you know. So,
honestly, your mama idiot.
If bitterness go kill you for there. If now you that
this person, I'm mute here now. How this kind of comment?
I'm knock her from more for there.
I'm mute and to be mad. Make it get
Just calm down.
Let me go to that one. You see, even the mama what about my Sonia call you. You see, I've been waiting for someone to say something like this. And now you just said it, my mind just leak. I say, now this is what I want. So, Otime, only Google, Sister Izzy. You see, some time ago, in restaurant, I see my social media now. You know what I do? You get humanity tolerated, even trying to make peace with them. They don't want to hear. Anywhere I go, now what my to us, man. Block all of them.
Lord, God bless you, Daddy. Lord.
I blocked all of them. Make it there here. I mean, I block them. If I block you, now Jesus will come. Now Jesus will come and block her. Jesus will come and block her. Because me, I'm just be honest with you. Jesus will don't block her because me I will die come
Jesus
say only thing I make it talking man. I'm telling the truth. So no lie. These people live there. If they call your name to because if two people in fight now what will get tired? I'm telling the truth. You understand? Always Agbina. So you know whether you stop saying you can't weak. You don't weak. So please just leave these people, let them do their thing. They go do your normal content, entertain us. No, dear, because I know you from Facebook as a content creator, not to drag person. You know understand? I've always said that I'm a big fan of you. Right from time. Now I follow you, can't reach TikTok here. So do what you do best and what you know best. So see and if they want saga, you let them saga. See, most of these people, they just want to gain content as in make content and get viewers. A viewer saying a large and so they don't love this said woman, right? Because if you love this woman, man, not fear, and the person don't go.
They don't go.
They do content. Don't the fear spirit.
I tell you.
A spirit, even mentioning her name alone self, that's not be child's play because of social media. Eh? A spirit, one of they fear God though. One of they fear all these useless content creators just to look for this likes and whatever. At least they fear God because in my point is there. So my sister, now your little I will talk with this one. This is my final word. Just leave these people, block all of them, block them. If you don't see them again, you will not be peace because this is my final thing. So mama, Wesley, mama, I don't tell my mind. So this is my own personal 2 cents what I feel offer you. God bless you. Thank you, Wesley.
Wesley, daddy, Wesley.
If I Wesley. Izzy lao, when I wait na lao. I know it hurts, my Izzy lao. Because they say he that wears the shoes knows where it pinches the roof. So lao what be better no my wife no even though what by o my go ogele balo when it lao je lao. One let them be backing on top of their voices. Let them be ranting. Ignore them lao wo. My Izzy bo wa ya lao.
When you live video,
continue your content, all those things you do concerning tradition.
They won't drag you. You won't drag you. When you condemn me, you little busy. They won't drag you. You work, but it's okay. Okay, work your salopoa.
Then if you want to do another ground because of that accusation, you can do it. But what's la hoji, la ho. Lao
edo ya pe tan we aro eten ga do degbeji eni ka won wa nodo aro eten na diri o degbeji eni ka o wa no de we ni so oponu do bo si magnum aye ka wo gbe e o sa bon aye ko e we an wa be megbe bo na ti we ro wa o wa na de na igbo koji eba me he do asin ogun e bi do asin azen azo we okay de dari awokai e date me na e tita lo e bi boya si mi na e do wa ni no yan igagele won pa eva we boss even yan na mo igbebo follow the drag for social media no we bring is went down de kataba de no ge wo ije no bi eno give you on social media no guy
eri ono ni no nya po we do to boy ki mo
la ni mari drag wa ma ko kese hu ije hu dano be no ya ko kebe no we ka musaba ya baby eri ono it's okay o vi me no come lu eye wo ma kan we
la go la o go ma Izzy o la
but Izzy ni mo live video re get pay after live video do awe live video understand we do contribute to your friends
kebo ni ariri ti enu ogun awo ogun joe eve wa anything ota ni eke no won la lo lawo goje lawo. I repeat, for your sanity's sake, please just let them be. Here is a talon nothing one with 2 weeks. Mommy they know him.
A sanity waiting.
Yes, for her sanity, for her to be in the right frame of mind, for her sanity's sake now. Mommy, or name me now go. That's a name me now touch on
deal for mental health with you.
And deal.
No, where you probably like page weather. Well, now was a when is even me? I mean, when man attack.
Only mommy.
Everybody is for sanity. Sanity is for everybody. Okay, we are no sanity is for everybody.
Mommy, general language, you know.
Oh, if my one only. Oh, I feel where is him? They me have no near moon and no.
Oh, even the very social media. Ya wa give no jet be so man working.
Mama, for your mental health, for sanity.
Mommy, I understand. So it's Laho.
It's a lot of why I get my mommy.
Laho, why you both
my daughter? It's okay.
Get to boy kakane
it's okay.
No, me and really wear not
that. Me why you tagging you? I'm boy, not boss you. If you say not Bobby,
Simple.
Oh, that's simple. We quit down.
Last year,
Yeah.
we never went to the baby since last year. All talo wegbe.
Where
Yeah, what fitama? We to boy. Oh,
saga we can saga ni.
That is it.
On a year saga je a picture of voya.
Mama,
La
saga
wo
iya ya
je na
fe.
ke we
No
la
the self love we go get.
Wabutiane wabuta. Wabuta. Wakoyo.
domo.
Iyo eteme iwie do maya hiabi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mo pa we gbo wọn.
Okay. Rigbo no zedo no edo.
Ja.
Emi okpano. Iwie ne unyime iwie di maiso, especially ihu de bekbianiro. When unyime inyaje. De ma unyime no keke. Etimani bungi nyi. Rimeka emena. Ima ewe eme no kosa nizi. Na hi. Mema we Sharon bije eya temo Iya wa fiela dian we a birthday ni ahia wo no mo na ije giro. Omo no ma egba ni je ma egba 1 year wo fiya. Bi gebe ni ya gwa ta emena nla duhu ene ya we. Why have it on we a birthday. Ina we wa manota we unu po money je do mo no say 18 years no wa ma so iya na do ne ya ta iya na do nane anywhere the ije giro ena wa long ni je ya wu iya we last year we on we marry gba we 1 year ni ta mi o na hi we ijo money no wu ije no kwani dano dan o ho ni hi o debo ina wu dan ije ni hi orie ma wo mo no pa ni o ma da data mi ewe to gele omo ni gele da be no mo ya do wan omo no ma ese unupo no hi wo pa yan agbon re de bete no awi disanu yan sei de bete no we hiawu no aya please na
Baba la gbira mi. Ogbera na ma yibe easy. Oni
Mudiane wa du wa ni mi me oja me teme na.
Na ya fe hin.
Thank you for the gift. Mommy, where say?
Mommy, where say for the gift? Nana gwa
Me la
mama.
get go am no fian ta.
Easy, no we be remember we ni na.
Mommy, get help in
Now, mommy.
They're finishing now.
Let's continue sir.
Ewe ni mi ati one ni huogau. O huoni no ron gini. Wa gbagbo ye wa fi view pe kwewe. Unyi me dan onyi. Na mi woman na accuse agi mia. Imawe ni zi yagbina. Emi no heke nu wa ni huogau. O huoni asiele adian de yon gbe. Owie ni no do ta magbon. Emi no je birthday ni. Emi no je ha.
Ole
No do ta
kata.
magbon.
I ti no bi re no yo bi e o.
Okay, why you accuse of me?
Oh, we na ma la je la video do accuse e ma wa ge ale le story say. Bro.
Okay, on my
la video
fine.
wa there.
O tie your way yin we birthday. A
Bro, we
birthday.
can accuse them. I know say na when me ko na live video one day. O mi e TikTok or Facebook or Instagram.
Mama, kama we buy we you kama making your ginya.
Mama, o we no ta na e kini di. O we.
Mama, yo woni ma be ever see we have no kama we your ginya. Sie de birthday o money. Ya ma tell you we live video. O ko na we ni we live video.
She went to that extreme.
Mommy, what for?
But I like video about do pretend na me tin ye kun mi agban do apiti oh sorry. Iya ma hata we live video we party ni yo we ni ya we live video.
Ipa lo no na bi.
Ya we ba no na, ba ya na we.
But yon yan.
Mommy.
They coconut way.
Live video. You must say live video.
No, my dear sister, what are you to play me?
Mama get the man going and I will go.
Sharon, you born ya fe. Ona use egg.
Daniel Okona.
This is what no be Sharon.
It's a best.
Okay.
But this one a very big allegation.
Delete this comment when say Izzy na you by Sharon na spirit dey you.
Come this paper
Delete block this comment abeg. Okay.
Sharon. Go and bring Yari Bebore if you sure say na she buy am. Why you hide the under fake account? Why Yari Bebore?
But nani ya accuse Izzy banana na big allegation though.
The allegation is this one. That your one saga, but I'm going no one negative action.
Wait, Izzy.
Understand?
Will not be Sharon. We bokere. That go the end for drag man. Mundo take in Izzy.
I was giving good point where the bad
I search for this girl. The accused Omanoma Okpamen.
Wow.
She's in a platform Mudae Frakina. Accusing someone what they manawo bobu not be Sharon yo bohiri. How? Eric was so he was there. Okay, Omana accusing na Omana Bono. Okay, here na here lele ya. My dear, anybody no who so wa or no where no you have to sue the person because this accusation
is big, eh? It's big. Anyway, saga but sue them or they
why is it that no via ejegbeji umeti la wadia no vie no rie ejewe no rie le here sisa here we here your birthday I be wa mind at your birthday so my dear Izzy, I'm not here to tell you to do or to fight any other fight. Anybody no so what or no where will not je or not accuse you. There are many ways very easy to sue the person. No real prove lads. This is a big accusation.
Very big one, eh?
You can't be going to platform talking anyhow. Why a platform where I got money? On your team, Bewebo. Win na don't win a very boy. Not do I so say big, not do I tell me now, Massa. So it's so painful. And I may wear area 18 miles so it's so painful. So here ni me or anything. I really appreciate what you going now, but
a family member go say a picture me want to get on Facebook ya fair.
Me tired.
Everywhere. And internet never forget. Even I don't want to be video ni. I don't want to, for what reason? Ya wo na e. Or when you go na one ya ge. Me hear you.
No, nobody know go. Ya what do advice where it's okay.
Mama, I always see you one na my way saga my father anything.
Kakabo. Anya we ni gbe ya tolo ana we na tolo bolo. Me like action than Italo. Me man like Italo. My sister, do here fighting like social media. Do what please you outside. Social media no. Where we were be picture me when you continue to explain the more we na ya we picture we latia. Stop all those things. Fight bina. Ami bina biye ke social media na ra we ni biye ki. Egbu wana we me. Am I do I was for my zone and if you want to fight, be can fight. No happy way fight when you brother now get a live video, maybe do the plan. We're not told or call you where plan.
Okay.
Any man if your fire when we can
not be accusation now is a blessing or a princess. I go for her. I saw that Omomo Nana Imiewe I am a Dana or Harakwa will and I don't think he might get a country noje Vimana. But
Epa,
it's so
anyway,
bad.
Kana, any got no that to do way. What do no waji social media?
I think there.
Why go on the country na do anything while like social my sister
La drop him man. Oman no go mak boma. Amaya da yi.
see I wa here gbin
You are telling me that na do no wayi.
Eno do atale no awo wan.
He might blame me. He might blame me. He might blame me. We call.
E wan na always use we me platform.
Oh man, gumeme.
Gama shut up no get am agbin we wi am.
Awa be
Ure platform no nu ya we say. Only one moment you no gun agbon ya modio we no tu we have lige we no come get her from here. Get that here we are.
Wrong. Why do I beg her? I'm accusing one now.
Parcel, I will wait parcel now.
Voilà. Oh, good you now. Voilà. Calm down.
La wo go now.
Calm down.
Calm down. Oh, we are don't go about Samurai yo. Or say love you.
Mama say.
Only say Mama Blue.
What's happen?
Otomate senate boji na. Mami la egu ila omo mi.
Mama quand avionné, maman vient avionné since then na ije mani gbonu.
E no bi ave franco mozo no ma na egbe, ave bi edo no ma na egbe no wa gege mo ge nyawa. E no ma wa mo nyawa go ma we.
Izzy. If Biani Taban, take Mama Blue Taban, if you can take it. Oh, Omando accuse you.
Mama, prepare me running.
This is a big accusation.
Mama Blue.
So we must take action. What action you like?
Mama wrong. Your opinion, Mama, what we give you is your mono. Is your revekiane.
Mama Blue, she's right about
wrong. My sister, your opinion what give your mommy ma wrong. Mama son ma wrong.
Mama Blue, where Izzy or no sue ya no sue ya. The same thing that same man also said. So though both of them were saying the same thing, just that argument one do
he go serve juju paper for a friend. Mama, I didn't have it attack here.
Assistance now, you shouldn't care about that too.
Oh, now that Godin, what's in the Godin
no. Only ma kan weje. E Godin tie. Omo weather there so Godin
we ya on we ya in the matter.
So na Sharon tie unu. E Dorothy tie.
Sharon tie unu.
So Dorothy we akesun. You use her as a scapegoat.
Yes.
What do you have a
so a Godin we are here bina. We are time where at least no time because me that matter since then we ain't tired with yourself. I'm so surprised. Hearing such nonsense. Come and sleep from her.
What time? What time?
I don't know.
What time?
So only we are savvy, only we are really big. Any way you do drag and make contact people the world. How you take contribute into the RIP of Sharon. Because me this matter self man at the verse when we say they carry the matter come up again.
Dorothy. Yeah, block your social media.
I'm telling you.
No get be abolowo to. Although you know when we talk, she will not come on live stream and start begging.
Yeah, exactly.
Emotional.
Madame Godin.
Fresh like Izzy. Izzy no go see to Sharon. Na him kill am. Izzy na very betrayed, jealous friend.
And ọ̀rọ̀ what's a moje o. That was your nata o.
Eh?
That was just a nata. Akwa are we no be mama sena. Madam omo se me gwe we wani. See ana, this I dey like ekpene dey. Not dey lie. See ana, listen. Listen.
Don't like that. They talk. They talk. You're probably the talk for your side. You tell me. They talk.
Sharon. Now you kill him. Izzy na very betrayal, jealous friend.
Yeah.
Oh my God, yo. I'm not ready for friends like Izzy. Izzy or Bobby. If you know what you do, Sharon. Now you kill him. Izzy na very betrayal, jealous friend. Oh my God, yo. Oh, you need to get life like mama.
Can't you do na?
Izzy, my sister, Osolobo bless you when you over.
Who
Share platform na ya fefe. I'm gonna go bless you.
be Jenny?
And you will never die.
Who dey beside Mama Nora before? When you dey call your mama yours now?
I want to make go one now. Saloba we say why could drop a boy no one ma. Why we say no I could drop a boy. Because we really want to bone no give what we can. We when Jennifer we make it go a platform. Saloba we say drop a boy.
We no get him na ba na where mag why we.
Oh, Jennifer Mete boni ma there. No. Jennifer Mete boni ma there.
You nara now meet mama no why come meet.
Jennifer Collins Mete boni ma there. No. That was long ago.
Your mute.
He's a big supporters to us. No.
We're mute. We can't be big supporter. We're mute. My can't we.
You talk one more story now.
It's talking about flag me many a flag ba. Zeal of the Abina.
Don't want no way mete boni iye Sharon. Iye Nora lare o tu emi le wa so.
Women we no girl women na wa we to
Me ne Jennifer Collins uwe me a. Abina be were.
Come away now.
Me ne Jennifer. Iye Nora in fact I dey follow her. She dey follow me way for Facebook.
They comment for that picture where yeah.
You dey me now be waiting dey happen.
Maybe she dey mistake you with somebody.
You see, now so these people they look for problem for social media. Yeah, what a saga here.
Mistake has we also not get defended.
She know what she's saying.
Okay,
Jennifer, stop Emma. Very wrong.
Jennifer Collins, hey, Tiabo. I know, Jennifer Collins na hina. Okay, Jennifer, Nene talk show no. Ah, sorry.
Isha,
sorry.
You say na me and my mind.
Okay, provoke my sister. I know.
No, I tell you before you conclude, they be sure. You can go they sure. My sister, before you do anything, they very sure first, my sister.
You come out with sorry, Bana, Jennifer, you come out with sorry. Oh my, guy was on young Iladuku, or your turn not to refake account, no. So I will come out with sorry, yeah. She says sorry, always sorry, yeah. My
okay. I'm surprised though. I was like, Ija, what's no?
Now I ask him as a girl on beauty, Zega defend go well, it's not you. Kati wa accuse wrongly person.
Don't know you gonna be the next person. Okay, now the returning
Jennifer Collins. Sorry, where? It's a Jennifer talk show, no. Where?
Me man at Jennifer talk show. Yeah, me don't
it's a Jennifer talk show, no. Jennifer Collins, you are welcome.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Ite we ke wana ma te wasaga. Ite saga.
Jennifer Mori na ya we. Jennifer Mori en saga. De no ga saga.
Family la be here ya ko ma. Kini wa me family Yeah, me go back quarter.
Once in a way, me always saga once in a while, once in a 2 years.
They could what we are seeing in of one year, one or two people like when not me or you, one no me face where you know they look your face. What we are seeing, then no we saga now. What we are seeing, oh, poor boy, la visual, who is saga. When I go my way, are you mad? And you don't put on margin, it's in margin. They pay nanny. Oh, Corona doctor, when are you always saga? Always. Oh, go where have you care? Oh, easy. You are jealous of easy because easy. Man, you were touch show. You why? You people full of jealous. You people full of jealous. When I go, who me yo? Who me deeper life? You know, imagine we both say. Here would you a wound where I'm winning? My sister, go and check off your wound. Edward, where you might be. You only walk for me now. Or master or healthy sewer. See, yes. Or healthy sewer. It's easy. The way I get normal. Oh, what be you? Oh, what be you? Oh, what be you? Me, I be about fair. What be you? When I go, I'm when more, ya when more, umami mokpa beer. Umokpa udo, you could know. Whoever work about who the what we are here, then any who do I give you? Okay, a man don't know, easy, my sister. Easy, where do I check you? I make bomb away, but I make bomb away. It's a pretty run now. You understand me? It's a pretty run. Anyway, do I shake it? I shake it. Again, here is gay again. Home, ready. Again, on it today. I can now operate a dog any. Because Mutana is don't get a map with a weapon now. No, pass straight through winter. And winter near my best nose that come away. Who are the other way? Oh, my boy, like me, and when we die, they were the color. And summer, they were the color. Because it's this song or hit on already. Emma, or do I give my door? Maybe I don't miss cost. But they can't ride up if you're good and look away. So I'm what we actually know a goatee who got you when a goatee will want
easy like
one mute, not mute. One mute, a goatee when you go or be or when you go away saga. When a god of 5,000 euro, when a god of 6,000 and shiny.
No, too flat.
You know that we 1 minute, 1 minute. A goatee, he must understand. What the platform a nogi? A bed boss no la we Betty. Who was so? But I hear the face sometimes I hear the imagine say sometimes and you get with that platform. What go not not a magbo. What go say because of you nigga or lose a man. It may no my sister, I don't understand. You a musician were 2 times in Motia. Where did we sir? I do mad. It's easy. Easy matter basha we but you to basha wona do or go bush where you are. I be go bu e me care. Go we saga what do that easy. You know. See, I stand with easy 24 hours. I stand with some. Or go bush where you me care. Usually na ya mo we toli ani gbe yo me ke police emu na police okita emu ijue na police odi ya ba emu ijue Okpamen emu ijue as ijue aso akule okuba ijue ohe ogwo ijue goti na goti wo wa unwera pa unmo imaye mo ya ge we so no mo jo were me cause I mo ge we emu ima oni ajo mo ya ge wa. You understand me now? Anyone who is equal me, who was war to get kidney in Europe, Italy, who you see? When you gonna add the kidney? When you gonna add the kidney? No matter what you say, who will baby shower mama? Fine, you are good to go. Work okay? But then, you only no water because I always they go people platform. Now they ask me this question. He benefit and also now my money. And also now my money where we are senior unico or go where usual. I see unico where I'm money because we made go a gotti. I see unico una fear more the value because here I pay with €700. What will photo shoot? When you gonna pay I see unico? I would any benefit. I can't the benefit the control because Italy my way. Italy my way. Oh, when you may so rest in peace. Don't know the benefit of money who will photo shoot. When I'm going to photo shoot, you're gonna you pay no money, don't know you sure you are bid on what do I say? On the mail, what do I say now? This is the question, man. No, because a benefit you pay money now. Hey, here, dentro, back, what's that? Zika. A question, man. No, why the platform now? Is it the star? Enough for Allah got it done. Even when they go there, Momo, a benefit because me have true benefit. Got in our Momo. Got it. You gonna pay your canal. That small picking was 1 year. You go already say, August and Nicole in a row. Because I need better. That is 3 years now. I think you go get it. Don't know the benefit in your senior unico. No one act what the time don't know. You go in. I be share. Sharon. Why did you answer my question? Because this is question. Me man when I drag easy now, I don't understand. Don't know the asino unico vitali don't know godi do tama me don't know the asino unico because I know beg una rush ya mo money. Una rush ya mo money. Adi pege katakusi do your kani 80 euro every 2 months. Special money. Don't they gonna we ogo buya. Don't we unu do beg mana. Are you mad? Are you crazy? Well, you get benefit of your canal. You know you they achieve money. Or no give you whoever who do now go a question who do when do tamame. As in you unico. Here value na call it maybe that kind let me say 700. I just say imagine the price of this Niger mo. Niger na Iraq banana imagine this ga una is already. Or is married already? I must pay your money as in you unico. God did come on me. In go no your can receive every month because me I would benefit of your honey. Una mwe of your honey will be share. When it Sharon no man neck benoro. Una be ari ore toto. Ma get benefit unwe. U feel wetin akoku we. Or we am we photo shoot. When we go na we photo shoot the bola we gbe. We no be deeper life. Who very do somebody. Who just got a white game where my boy better what we had to what we had to go now. Oh, you go where I'm where women. So nobody no go how men but no not drag easy now. Me ma like who is what don't where more are you mad? Who's what? Okay, now it's not 500. Okay, me tell no say this guy they shop a benefit. Now because of the benefit money, I make I go collect. They want go collect the pikin for your mama hand. Easy see give you go rest. Easy saga or massacre where who can for the source who beg where it the saga man. I feel a video go maybe of the other one will get a put or I'm not a video go. What figure maybe where all saga we. And my make says now what you like a problem also when I be now when I don't back now one no be me 5 why I see here where there 5 when I'm your mom because a saga ma go a beg with a saga ma go no go mo we not for no fucking we wa atafo agwa de sashi kikan we never bofia kuleluwa where's wa agbo you are crazy nonsense people ashawo mama we wa wa mu we no da fugwa no wa mu we gba wa mu ne ka pa mayame nonsense people. Because of benefit, you go and carry children for your this mother hand. You are dragging easy. See, I sound easy. Get I can't even now. God, when you call him, man, yeah, what's your good issue? About the table, the issue, you be care, you understand it better. Because the money now, they are receiving benefit. Come and tell me a benefit in the economy. They shadow yak, a catty shadow Joe. A cat to to Tamame because the Beleka are receiving benefit.
Good evening. Easy. Drop this woman, make she go take care of her pikin. Madam, go on gbera gbijue. Oh, where's so
where did the worry? Izzy make our wound up, where worry? I went to pay, worry.
Oh, Queen, I very you.
I drop it. Where? Mama Nora, no, talk. No, Mama Nora,
They don't do that, please.
No,
Please,
Ogubirimene, don't know.
Yeah, Nora, yeah, Nora. Good night, oh. Izzy, good night.
Good night. I don't even know.
my lady queen,
Good love.
Good evening,
When you
everyone.
come up.
Una good night, oh. Bye-bye.
Good evening,
Mommy,
Sharon.
good night.
The man not more etore. Why more etore na?
Why you say go mwetore?
Queen, you
Queen Mutia. And Ogun from again.
You know me, I know they do
sister,
saga. I no come
see.
here for saga.
You
If
say
they very
Ogun
wrong,
Kim
say
Mama, see me my mother already died.
they tell you pikin say via una leave am make e dey do saga. They very wrong. Wa we no ya gba wo vie. E Jennifer Collins or ya ka
Mudia happiness. Wait, Queen Love talk. Make she talk. Queen Love, they hear you.
they mute me.
Sorry. My mother.
This lady wey dey up so na fake account. I know am well. Okuna no rema na fake account now. Na so she dey go from platform to platform. You know me say me I no like Godi, you know me very well say I dey against Godi. If me see people wey dey pursue Godi and Godi run enter my house, I will cash and give them. But this woman wey dey here na fake account. Okuna why we won't even know ne agba ogoivo. It's very wrong.
If you know
Your
them
child dey run dey come meet you. Your child dey call you. You dey tell am say make your child make e via. Akwenya ga ido.
Where?
Why una dey mute me?
via me go now. Anybody can still say to go.
Okay, do you know that na momo na she be? Akwenya ga ido mi omo ne bana. Iye nora oda fun won yan bu. I am just saying my mind, Mommy Sonia, Urema Nania. A Mommy Sonia so do sinwe na deme na yo. I have been here since when you understand? We don't deal on this case. Me una know say me deal with Izzy Omoruyi on this case. I not come here for saga. I get my platform if I want to do saga, but it's very wrong because this woman they account working I for post you tomorrow, but because say you be fake account I not fit do you anything. Go and attend to your child. I not say me you not do saga. Why me? We understand it, man. It's very wrong because Ishomo kagbao give because very real. Anybody not there gbe ladia we am me yomo. Mommy Sonia ware manania. That's why I beg me have very ya. I know the pity for them ya ati madam. Iye togo me na my own children don't they sleep since 9 a.m. Who understand? Okuna neba a fake account to him. So that's why the thing they pay me. If not, anywhere we are talo by go egwan e dey agbe ya post we because you are a very bad mother. Izzy Godin only let me we wane. A Godin only wa let me we wane. As I'm talking here, you by a Sharon Okpamen. But Mommy Sonia has spoken my mind. On your say, Manario Duhun. Oma no win depressed. Go and take care of yourself. I am saying my mind. Wana insulting me. Gwaeme a matter now. I go make sure say it go arise. So me and what make peace day. But nobody should insult me because I've been with Izzy Omoruyi on since this matter started. Una they see Godi, it they cost me, it they swear for me, they cost my children. But if they say, okay, no, see, let the matter die down, is there anything wrong? Many Mommy Sonia have gone. That's why I never came up. You understand, my lady? Who now see Taliban or where via? You understand? I the year Italy 80%, even though say na Deutschland that day is very wrong. Who yagba over the attention of where? Anyway, we no do atalo. She actually came to saga Jennifer Collins. Nuwaya do you know by now they say ye nora we mute. We not gele mute. Why kayage profile mane? She's a fake account. Area of a joge Godin.
Queen, now you know
so they
go
from platform to platform.
Because you want no go. Who we how you fake account? Ma you fake account. Fake account. People know her.
Fake account no ye nora.
Fake account. People know her.
A fake account ye no.
I'm telling you where a fake account no I know her.
What's here?
no ne fake account no. Even though say na in name, but she does not have
Hey,
identity.
the big one, I want it.
Her picture no dey there. Let her go and take care of her child. I no dey against all the rubbish, all the things when they talk. That one na your cup of tea, but let her to go and attend to her child. That's why I'm here. Emi ove Izzy Omoruyi me ave temo pa ma we my sister. Ugben so we ro ovie do we hin. Na do me wa gwo no ma koye la do koye to eka. Please, mommy Sonia, una know me. Una know me very well. Mama Sonia know me. Before me queen go come talk say I agree with wetin person dey talk, e get why. No la wo vije me. Let a peace to reign. You understand? Some people just dey happy me saga dey because of their depression, their stress, not for your own concern. Amen. So ma gele ke about you. You understand? A Frank in Wemieni, a Frank can just raise up a topic, a saga without no reason. It might be where maybe a mama 50 cents or Gary. You understand? You understand? Ovierejo mehin. Ovierejo mehin. I know everybody before I left 11 years ago. You understand me? So as me I be person wey be say I come from Emilia Romagna. I don't stay Reggio, Parma, and Milan and Brescia. Or teme no dio no si megbava no vere Germany na e Brescia ka aji okekpa. You understand? When me jena I be person where I love peace. Una see Godin me he can anointing with Godin team me. Before your matter came up, I don't get issue with her. You understand? She know the reason why I get issue, because she dey bully my children and they bully children. That's why I dey against her. Say for you say you dey drag her, I not get any right to climb up say no drag Godin. But for the mama way na in-law speaking, me I will still use this medium say me will still take a lamsa. Ma onula go piano because yes, I insulted you, so I insulted you for you to go and take care of your child because your picture not there. If not, me have your attention in nowhere, I'll go and publish you. But a picture wherever yagba over, how can your child dey run to you instead of you nowhere mute no attend to we no via uvam over eriwa ni bunya we then inyaga if you wa money why do I go a social media sympathy? I've said my own. It's up to you. So my lady Izzy Omoruyi. Inyawa ami no guano. You understand? No la or guy Godin we was see. Or guy Godin see you know me the all I dey do. Yeah, have your money gone away. But it's your man who let's see temper justice with mercy. When so or man no grief can out of anger or a thief zeme my way. Maybe on me or when you wait, my lady. Maybe or God may during you guys misunderstanding or may Amy not the time when no ya way ya boy, but ugware sinero na Amy no go on na mene queen activita igun yarogwa a mama 50 cents ima apart from say she get bar for Radio Emilia. Apart from that one, I never enter her house once. You dey get me, even late Sharon Okpamen, me and she never see one-on-one. I no go lie for you, but me want to let you know say maybe that is as in the people where they do this thing as in a Frankie na or ma keke no wa keme Frankie yo a Frankie can just wake up or what a picture of matter or we saga for without no reason. I too get him so all news say now we a mama no egu it might be where you giving an please let's remove it. It might be where you giving an we maybe ni do attack we bully we ogi jomo me retire na thank God we retire now we ijomo we hin and I'm happy for you we ye ko we ya mo money ubege so e go din ori kena go din we when we are your result like that cause easy my tie bo mede na godin dey cost me ye be the task in it tin godin no we your Dorothy Jennifer tin over ya more transcend la diane na me myself I go see let her be but concerning ukpa family ma because who wa mana matter you talk.
Okay, we na me family.
You understand?
Sister Izzy.
Mama,
My lady Sharon, please, I'm coming because a lady na we saga ban. The issue here is not the saga. The issue here is that way, a man screen record and here record and all that. Wamana bring a matter down. You guys are automatically giving the power and the efforting to the bloggers. For them, in your team, not really Kenya. When my lady is here, you understand? Have a blogger na a matter na radio do. They feel just come up with anything, and you not feel hold anybody responsible because oh yeah, what you listen, we understand. Unde mommy Sonia have already spoken my mind. Mommy Sonia we say kakabo because ugwanwe na ije. Mommy Sonia is very right because a matter na dogbera no na ban. Emi so run mama give authority na my no, which is not biomo. No koko mano no biomo no na benite the speaker iya idozolo egbe bana evani ya do okay or biana iko which role baby papa play for our sister late sister life what was iya the way what was her emotional during her pregnancy a relationship life for her. My sister, many Queen or and I can come up with an interview. We understand why we may interview Kakabo. But to be maybe do not, I can put a call across to Mama 50 cents. Here they not bag me. He record the call. Okay, Mama, my own my home. Over okay, we accuse ma. Okay, be no more connect. They no have me time ma. We have a gay. Gonna when I be. Oga ati yege because he yebe tai serve your way. Giyan bo maga gui. Be alele ga iya argue with phone you. No, nobody was there, mama. Many things you run our big way. Now me way they have not looked into that part. A phone or evo. Ya like a diaspora have a boo. Oga ebo no bana. A daughter way her brain was triggered. A second but along the line. They can still go through her phone. Now ya doma no le loko na woda bie kate she honor your pressure ya bie na me we oko no da bia gboyan we in dey sensitive no ya lele gwan be phone. They can go and verify ya gwa le phone oge aya make a research nu gwa la gogo na bring a case na da very o e ma ya no we dey ba we ku e oji no rama na even do me we you understand. I know what I'm saying, my dear sister. A social media na hina because when I'm working we here key man do there we can come imagine my have. I know what I'm saying. Mommy Sonia, God go bless you because when I time out a Mommy Sonia way I think we should just take a break for now. I don't see it and by baby papa na mule me queen can still make my audacity way okay now we are going baby papa lada or we may no play because you know we kone agbono ge me. No lie, my sister, you know I love you and I've always been with you, but please, we're not here with saga no depressed. You go on your platform and make your own analysis. You understand? Because worry, why do I with Jennifer Collis? Everybody was like, we saga and all that. They think I'm having many queen, but I okay, always certain. On everybody go mute and Megan maybe work back get that, but not by this time of the day. May always I go garson get me. I just want to just say Mama Sonia will say may always I go garson. And we know what here, but maybe a comment session. You guys should know that I'm also recording this video. I'm recording you guys. I'm Yaya, a destiny why Yaya Samuel Adia. Why we are so. No mind how you insult people. Don't just insult because you want just people to see your comment. You insult me, you go see your comments tomorrow and your profile and everything you posted. We go use it to cover that gold. So I greet you, my love. Mommy Nora, I greet you. Because almost 1 o'clock. Now I'm not going to the country. Almost 1 o'clock. Why do I go with kita? O we gwa la attention when na ya gbe mi kine no boy ove wa ti via o ko na e de agbe de gbe yin panel de no do de saga kun we no be by this time it too wire so no okay my lady I greet you
we want one we fe o mi wu ne self Sharon say go we one
la wo sister Izzy la I love you from afar la oh yes e ke no na lu won me o da fi na bo Mama sene na sema yo. Eva ina we. Yo. Na givia gbon yese kamane. Na we sene o. No ri gwa lo ma dire. Ara we sene o la o no regbe yese. Ese ma bo ma go ma we na ba ese na o. Ujere o. Ve ne ma ta givia gbon yese kamane. Ujere o. Uje ke na me na gwe o. Umariyo Elovena Kawe. Wagena go. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. There are a lot of things no one. Thank you very much, everyone. A lot of things you don't know where you may explain it. Ilavo doke ga zelu nunugwe mere ya zo ebedo so just nula owo nugwa tekele ege young ya tese gbori saga I can never you
Where una move e ma di we saga ni yan wa fi yan pagbo agun.
I understand everywhere has been so one to the defense I understand
o yan wo wa gbe won mo picture won yan wa mu ye gbe ken won ni iwa
no
mania
was right from the onset
wa valoge apa kabana owe won kidney o ire won kidney baye me e won kidney o yan me eri meeting awon eri meeting we no pa wo salobua la ya we no sin wani we gbe ni mako e boys we re gbe
ouais c'est comme la fille de mamie a pas de toi parce que y est bobo non et pas you remember say the one you say pas with the follow up
yes
udazina boe wa sene na sema yo nagi vya gbon yese kamane na wa sena nagi gwalo ademe Aga wese nwe la nuregbe yefe. Udafina boga gume wese nene sema ye o. Nagi viagbon yese kamane. Ujere o, uje kena mena gwe o. Umari yo kenu vena kawe. Iviagbon nemi no meye. Raga unuwa o naga suwake Baba weso nuna rere givya gumame Uwase igwo dayala o Edena univiagbon Ederi azuwose Edena mauni atakokpove ya Raga weso nwa la nugagbe yese Na wase na no ma ye o ona iri abegwe Okpamen se no awe wiyan we Oba ga wase nwe la nu gagbe yese O gagba mana yese ado alogo no ga uno ma we Na wase na no ma ye o ona iri abegwe When a brother and sister no wase wherever ese na u Izzy Esene akane Erudamanu wewe sena no makpome nuga uno mame o Izzy o Nesi wakanya gbe wega gigba manu wewe sena no maye Uta zina boregu wewe sene nese maye o Nagi viagbo yese kamane Na we sena o Nagi gwalo mademe Aga we senwe o La o nuga yese
Mama, your voice sweet oh. Studio. Just ordinary last the voice where they are. My last studio, man, that's a beautiful one. I clap with you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm grateful.
I really appreciate you. Why I was saying the whole thing, me why tell me when I eat time. Mama, I go tell the boyfriend, the Frank give it to time, man. Oh my God, man. So sad though. And I'm here do. Oh, wanya kon ya nyegbe. Ah, ma take picture we do la dia. What
Thank
about
you,
when you tell
untouchable.
report them mama we. Report them mama no fit go right in report them. Odo kin ore saga wa saga egbe.
Okay, the name of the song. Your enter her profile. She's the rightful owner of the song.
Okay, yes, I'm the actually let me write is the
Rightful
title of the
owner.
song is FA. My YouTube channel, let me drop it here. My YouTube channel, Sharon.
Because even my
The
friend name
song
say
I just dropped
Sharon.
yeah, Sharon Rufin. I just dropped the song, the video today.
when I first see the
Sharon.
name Sharon, I not see the remaining area. I can't say Saluba. I be talking about yeah Sharon ya ki TikTok.
Sharon Set TV.
I can't click the
Yes,
name. I don't beg again to say no.
yes.
At first, I think I let your son get that song go. Me again no.
You know.
Hey, Mommy Nora, Meno.
Ma me
FA.
again let your son go yen wa. Le that's enough boy go me west. Te we let your son go yen. Me we wan we no.
Mommy's untouchable, no silence.
He
Untouchable, no silence.
yeah, I'll use on tomorrow. Yeah, when viewer.
Well, say, I'll be grateful.
The
FA.
one you was super ni elo na self.
Yeah.
Now the same voice like my sister tell you this I can't go to Papa Nora say I mean think we are sitting there start being remiss and this woman remiss and Sharon is so you can say no. They may most similar voice eh.
Okay.
No, her voice sweet, well.
Well,
No, why you
say,
want to saga? Why you want to make your social media? When you take time, eh? Eh, be ba ke ngari e wa ba. Ni ma wa. Ni ma
I go a
wa.
lot though.
No wa go me why we need time my sister.
I understand. I'm not easy in the way. Tagging you on different videos or you
Our family may even move everywhere. Tell me what the day. Yeah, you know we sumu. What I go want to do? SN I woman bomber wa. That's a very big case now. Me no me mind of doing politics in future. All those things will come back later.
politician my own wedding.
Egbe wa go me wa ri image me we ma pa ma ever mistake we as a mother no we make. I suppose we correct it we wa mo nya ma we. Ono ma pa ma ever. Oh, what's the madam again?
Because you know what about politics in future Lauru don't even need walawa well because of that word please.
Yes.
Please Lauru don't even
Yeah, your my second or yeah, it was not a time. She died of timely death. Very untimely death of the Saga since last year. Saga my phone.
If you know you can get a way forward, man, I don't really know.
Man, I so yeke na you kpaya. Ha, na jagi me akwo ya jago ma every day.
yeah, now what guess is there. Well, my sagana maswe so ko sagana maswe is there. Matearo no why I will settle meti.
My ne go to no soon with the weru wa. Me de ne, family me de ne. Ko family me we take it lightly eh. Odo time ya.
So where is your local line kweke. Now Sharon get why you accuse them who are waiting now.
What we just book keke wa.
Yeah, je book kweke berejiro. Ija Amawa saga ya mene na vitala jawu.
Hello, Mommy Nora. I greet you, Star Sharon. Good evening, ma. Mommy Nora, good evening.
John Osage, good evening.
Thank you. I adore the requests, but you know it carry me go. I beg, just listen to what Mommy Sonia to Madam understand. Just listen because why they talk this thing now? Maybe last now. No say for this saga now you they win. Everybody know where the truth dey. May not come be say we can't they beg you now later. People come say and say blame you say, but the time we be say we say you may put am for ground. You not come agree that time. You understand? Just leave them because even me too, they my body. Me and my mom will not they play. For like 1 year now, we never talk. Me even prefer. Me I give my people to shusha. So not be all mama be mama. You see, the time when this matter take come up last year, exactly wetin happen to Sharon, na happen to me. The way wey mama take dey misuse am for Europe. My mom na carry me come Europe, but e carry me come Europe, come dey beat me and the husband. So I born, my mom may not come greet me. You understand? So I go meet Shosha when Sharon die. I go meet my Shosha. I tell am say abeg, if anything happen to me, no let my mommy carry my pikin because of wetin happen to Sharon. So just leave them. According to wetin mommy Sonia talk just now, so na im born her pikin. You understand? So leave them. I understand your pain. Say that they spoil your name. No mind Francomozuo. They will always come dey saga you, come dey look for wetin dey your mouth, but just forget, just leave them. Just leave them. Even self ordinary to give person document to take send money go Africa. Nobody dey do am for person for this Europe. Talk less say you carry your own document, come buy house for your friend, carry your document, come even put. You know how much house rent you dey pay for your house. When be say you come fit carry your friend, come dey feed am, dey pay the gastos and everything, but still they still dey ungrateful. So just leave them for God. Now that one now I get to talk. Thank you.
Thank you, my darling sister. Let's see kakabo. Then when I'm ready go to akwa wa ta go ba to pe wa wetin wa sin se do o ke gbelu wa gbon ba si wa ho wa we nu wo ana wa te mu keke agboya won lo bu keke industry me so lo ba gu me no bu keke ye yari industry we doni me ga se pa era na ku be come is even possible o ke gbu wa gbon ana me go we an wa ji abi pe no ma le gbe no abadon no kun we I go back to me no abandon mo no film of wa no ma ne gbe agrikpa no wa enu wo ni you climb up go dey tell say I get tell guy na easy no gbo keke wo wa obo no ma ne gbe obo no ho wa obo bo yen kin obo no toge maji ipe do for that matter men agrikpa ijomo no ma ne gbe agrikpa wa yan dukun climb Francomozuo platform go dey talk say na easy na easy ya oni e no gbu keke we u de ba keke tie we la yin uzaga go ba sini wa ho wa menu wo ana akwa are wa we live video igba simi o segedo nu simi o go ya simi o segedo o ge gbeluwa awo career ne doria waje ne dode waje ayi pe ani gbe ma oko Francomozuo oge otene e worry e boy denuwa ukeke atu àwọn
de lewe bono de ukeke hu ne me ke me lewe bono keke hu ama we join no ware we bo se alog not I don't enter Europe before keke there because your mom dey Europe for so many years
you me ma keke one day you me ma fi keke there ma what on keke abi ya orije me ho wa be ni ya ho wa agbaba si me ni ijo na ho wa o ge ni me ho wa iye frank ne free area na ga wele le do iye frank o ge iji me le iye frank je wa deva wa abi pe na ma na gbe o na na easy no gbu keke ai tu wa dopa one day wa ti eni ere kan ya tu wa bagbe wa gu pa kan mu live video Ukeke self, I didn't meet Ukeke once in my life. Imam beg face to face. Because Ukeke ya me my industry. But if I go see Kere and Kere, I'm waiting hand on Ukeke wa talk no ma. Oh, send life one I zuo. I got tired for them. Also no life one I zuo. Only ni ati a princess no ho wa. Obe yodukun. Oh talo Izzy even born no gbe Sharon. A princess say wow we kenuje. You get picture yourself. Wow we kenuje. Wa am you gugu. Oge wa vanyana gbe na am oge ja we princess. We no wo na. Where do I talk? I never see this kind of thing for my life again. And you don't know Greek man, why we talk? One man, big man, oh, man go just dey lie. See, I just show you all of them. And they say enter Frank or Moswo live video. Go no, okay. We agree pa, on va valo okay. Eri oni mo property Sharon, eri oni deux property muge, bege. Gba na kin owe mo me wo wa o, owe mo ko wo wa. Bege bi edo. O ke no go ba do le doji, yan ari ado wa, bege. Yan ari awo abo kyon ba kyen wo. Yan. I dey shame for some of Edo men. Eku wa mu me, Agrikpa, this kind one, you go feel say na responsible man I be. But oh, on your live video, Frank, you tell the rubbish we wani. Oh, tell the rubbish. Oh no, what we ain't ma ko mo. Lady ain't one kidney. Yeah, no we ain't one kidney. No na. Oh we ain't one kidney. Oh go one kidney. No na one kidney ni. Meti beer. Bege yan. Bega mu dan. Ni ya do wa. Iye di ye do. Ria ni o ve do we wa. Enu ma pa eva wo we mo gbe Sharon. Ara iti we ba no so se ba no. I ri bebe go ba na wa so woman okay allegedly gbe wa gbon. This one a person girlfriend or person mama. Which kind of children you dey raise? Okay, my boy, okay. If we okay, you can attack. Bege, see human being, see person mama, person sister, person wife, person girlfriend. I be this one so. Oh no, now we are a princess ologe. I want we mo gbe Sharon wa here. A voice note ni gbe ni ga gbe ban here no la. Ono la ga ata. A voice note ni gbe ni ga pe ge no gbe Sharon. E di oga man no gbe Sharon. Yo ga ata this woman. No one we a princess.
How we manage with saga? Ema can do contribute. Emi no la da unu yan. Ekwi we no mu ya go dokun. Ekwi we no mu ya go dokun. Can you just imagine?
Yoga ata ba that man ga pe ban yoga ata ni neme.
Ominora, thank you. I don't write tire. Uwe kendo yo ya mwe na. We meve na ya mwe picture. We gwa mwe picture Frankie.
Frank amagbo Frankie ni na mwe picture.
Oh, we ge igata wo magbo. Amia kikove social media. You go see we ga screen recording ane. Ubega ave undan kola ye no re gwi medie. Ubega ave unda kola sino do ate na wi amase do ate bonu eri destiny ya me wan liver uga iwa record ya ne udo kunya kugbe udo post ya uve ya mi go eri awe eri me ya we go di
okay ya
uga screen record ya ne we do dey 1 minute video do yo. You go use and take money. Na so they do.
Izzy weru di ho a nyere na awe ni
no oye na ekowo mona. Ma understand. I don't know that you understand what I talk.
Yes,
You want area ya where venia team na we am say mo itie bonu any condemn spoil your name. You go screen record then come repost them again when ogono €20 over ya dey make you. Eri me ya we me tis you see okay from Victor ni uri a picture go mu ye background you are me a view no ga dey area no as from Victor they use you to they gather money they gather view
they get views and money
who dey picture we are me that we picture a picture from Victor bana 800 people go dey here.
Izzy go away ni kuni mana we ni Izzy wo.
No, odafu we ma be we get dey ma be my. Ba be area we uve degbe ya we video egodi egede ya mo fe kakanti ya bully me na eko eri me ya eko we
Ome go to no me video no go me. How
during
video no go.
mommy no be say for mouth the time we go the
Kuni
case
ere believe me owu na ya bi ibe amwe karia we anye no ye golo
mommy nora iga to oge ni ema egene go di ya saga ya ye fe kakanti saga evi me two people also subscribe ni me ba we subscribe by me ne queen we me mate picture ni iwo ge na ye na iwe mayale area where my dear sister I gbijo beni meje na nia wa ati ebo me enough expense according say they go bring ilala iri egwu my sister iyawo ekwinwo mi ayiwo ekwinwo lewe ya so ve gbe ibi and we have the screen record the way that quit they teach them my our lady Sharon I use my second account. I use am take do duet for your music. God will lift you high. God will promote your voice in Jesus' name. You understand? You don't think when they see your song go and your song, yeah.
My voice. Thank you so much. I'm here already.
Yeah, you are welcome. No verse, so children don't stress our throat and saga on top. But don't worry. Everybody get where they say we love you. Your voice is really nice. I love all your music. Yeah, your music, even the other first one you sang. The
I don't know our music. Quick, can you imagine one? Me ma egi no.
Social media
good morning, Sister Izzy. Ove wa gbe me sin, but I try make I talk to you. Take user counting. Yeah, send you a request. Send. Mami wa no mu wera do you wolo na. Give me go. Again, mama blue na re. The life bounded by pan. What damn you. Me no really got the my follow up mine what I'll be giving. You've tried.
Yeah, damn you one the worry. I don't listen.
Don't
worry, but go to Agume go and go to go.
Understand? Okay,
I say what say me. Why did they worry? I don't.
You know, okay, I said it. That will go. Laho. Just for
yeah, no problem. Yeah.
We hear me loud. Please, I beg you. You know, I've really take a close look at you all this while. I don't really see and say, man, you be person will get good heart. Really. You're a very nice person. I'm not saying this to patronize you. I'm not saying this to compliment you. I'm just saying it the way it is. You're a very nice person. It takes the grace of God and someone who has a good heart to also know this. Trust me, you're a nice person. It's not by you talking unless you're okay. And the missing uni and abavita, most to reward the way you understand. La wo edo with us asiria be anaru by understand me. Uyane. Gya iria benaru banoi lao. Ose mo ose. Ibo we ho ose rudo sewe la wo ose mo wesi lobo adebawe ebo ni anu ni ati Wesi, I really appreciate you. You're a nice person. You're nice. Wesi, God bless you. And that of Sister Sharon. Sister Sharon, I don't know you. I don't know you, but I come across your music on TikTok. Ever since I came across that music, trust me, I don't know why I see one. Every blessed day. Like your voice is so angelic, so nice. Yeah. The voice is very angelic. In 1 year, already in 1 year, 2 years, I touched my soul. In 1 year, kate mani warewe bona, uwe I touched my soul. Osi had made dwell on that music, both my TikTok, my social media, my Instagram, Our good God is your strength. More call.
My lady
Sister Izzy.
blessed love. Thank you very much, Sharon Orue. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, sister. God bless you too.
Izzy Omoruyi la gogo ugbenso abeye saga ya gba my dear because iwage igati wa yari ebebo ubege vene edoroti wave egbe mu evodoni where if money gone your life go your ushio egima we understand where agbere dia ayo maya kwingo wage izukwebo oge our lady 50 cents ije oga gbon oge imi just leave iye leave that leave her for the matter you no understand because she's still grieving a 5 years of very yara here
You know they
because
give anything more than rest. Why on your we me on so wa.
okay oma we ya deal with indoors.
You know say you be our official politician.
You understand?
You know,
Exactly,
you're gonna
my
be our
lady
our
blessed.
official governor tomorrow.
You get
Oh, please, so that
thank
we
you.
will back
You
you
see
up.
where we are the talk
Please,
from. You understand where I'm coming from.
I rule those states. Those states I go forward. Because you any man we
Exactly. Egba we see Omoruyi magwalo.
okay.
Exactly.
I patronize you where. You have potentials. So now we
Exactly.
go because of all these things. Gawa ewe. Omonoganya Edam ya nya me
Look here.
we understand the man because of Ekemiye. Go on. That will go. One nice
Mommy
person.
blessing, you are right, but all the same, a life in now. Oh, boy, mama ya dolly nienji. You understand? Concerning our late actress mother, wetin ya deal with anything you want to do in the only my kaima, but people bully you online because ije maedo she never come saga you online since you have your evidence near ya. You understand? You will go indoor deal with her. You want to sue her or you understand or you can see involve your family area where, but we dey talk about the online bully emani bully wey online wey if you picture yan even though mama picture yan we hashtag yona open message to Frank or Moswo or
Any man
Frank
when they you na my sister. We come nowhere. Any man when they
my
you.
mama have your have mani bully you know wetin e be those online bullies.
No. It's
They
not called
bully
for my
online. She
sister.
don't need
That's
to
why
go
we're
give
telling
all
her
those
not to
there.
do
Mama, my lady Mudia. When we want boom, we understand the social media. Easy or more you understand what we are saying. She will continue doing her promotion and everything, but then a Franco will bully a Udoni. Ye ve dori egbe. Ye very egbe be 1 hour. She would continue her promotion.
my
Emi
sister
no who a
nine.
promotion girl.
My
A
sister.
politics advocate or continue. Area where
And
mama.
what about
No.
indoors? If she wants to sue them, if she has anything to do, or it's we're indoors, yeah. No miremu wegbe. Minu ya landi amu yendo saga. Only one you understand, but because of her status, her kind of person, her
Izzy is
personality.
educated. We here too, we are not an illiterate mama. Izzy,
We know
mama
my sister.
Mudia,
No,
my
what
lady
I'm just
blessed
saying
love.
is that
My
because
my lady blessed love, Mudia, my lady, Mudia, my sister. A
okay.
social media, I've been on social media for 10 years. I know the way they play. Manore Panena, Mano Guana is
Me, I'm
bringing the
also not
attraction of the
I'm just
views.
telling her to rest.
Ma make it the interaction and the
Making reference.
intellectual bimana, my lady
Yeah.
Mudia. We are the one on the panel making the intellectual. Egenizi Omoruyi Naka Agwa, assuming the people on the box never talk, came up to speak, maybe she did not bring anybody. Nyena Wagwa, maybe a Wagwa 5 minutes or their life yo. Akwa we maybe for 1 week. And at the end of it, the bullying is still going on. Maybe when now my lady who hear me the video with FYP, who understand it, man. Because of the interaction, the intellectual, the talking, we understand we're not a bully, but we a freedom of speech. Mana, you have right to make your freedom of speech. And the way ni me bring my opinion is the way I make a freedom of speech. Because sometimes a man bully oma on the name of way a presenter yankin Debbie Saga Lord oma na gbonwe ni mabugwe jeno inyamu weva when now they think you are afraid of them, you give them more energy and power. Niya ya bring you down
oppress you, bully you. But we beg even if zegbe matter now. Then we still see okay, because a Dorothy no we on godi. Ona threatening who are the gbe ladia, who are the gbe lada, and then Izzy Omoruyi ladia. I was so happy no I was so happy. Emi kere ni me recharge. I use it to encourage her because I love people like that. I can okoni wa we no digging yo. Ni no omo my ladian we come dey threaten her say oga degbe ladian. And she came to debunk that threat on her ladian. And what happened? Ni no threaten Izzy na oni ogiwe no we on Dorothy e godi yogi do lawa. Ubege, that's how social media is. Nyoido Lawa, who is
Hello,
now winning now,
everyone.
Izzy Omoruyi. But is Izzy Omoruyi bullying? She's not bullying. Or bully. She's only just want to give herself freedom of speech and also make the people to know where okay, if you have to know, and no very no very gua, no very day free, a baby light, a body of a you understand of a less. Ewe maybe no viere wa wow danger, but we are not telling her no bully or not understand, not do a bully, not do a mosango. But you don't need to where you try a bobo. Inya you we ya kwingo the social media. Where yare bobo ginya, uwe we do zegbe, or boy we do rie where ye kitabu we. Ewe very oh my lady, e matata we na, or my evani bully if imagine ya kwingo. I ought to tell you this thing for free. When we're talking on when no 200 people no a money gonjo a frank you gonga bue a godi on gonga bue walk here a kidney vai mukia understand
When the saga person, man,
you go see use the take collect money over the baby with video
saga person.
Sister Queen, good evening, everyone. Sister
The
Queen,
same
you are
month
very
God
correct.
give them, now God still give us.
Sister Queen,
So no mommy, blessed
Sister Queen,
love.
you are
Yes,
very
my lady.
correct. But
No mama.
nye to be able go ansene. You know, no me go ansene. Easy. She's a motivational
Normal
speaker.
lifestyle, know your girl your time. Okay, I don't get sense now.
Mommy, easy.
Okay,
Every
your
one of
time.
you. Good evening, every one of you.
Me talk it, man.
Good evening. Wakada kada no dio me wakada kada ni medien. Wa bot abota.
Mommy Felix, it's too wire.
I like Easy better. Easy is my personal person. I'm a popular person on this TikTok. You understand? Why are you being I am a big photo. You might not say you need one or the lads or girl. Also, the secret. Let me say something. Also, now a mercenary secret or here. They will they pass through what me who already born on me menstruation here 3 times in a month, 2 times in a month, and it made me the wet here taking. Oh, we come see me. I see me the game in pass through. Wake me. Just based on say or trust us your any, but I way or say na mache or do they am okay. They not see a ba in a ladia. It is even not feed the this is not feeding me. Sorry to say, Queen Love.
My lady, I dey new tie a journey. Mommy,
Yes.
blessed love. I appreciate you,
Yeah.
Just that might be aware a word
Just
in
calm
my
down. Just calm down.
Eh,
Mabe to the omen. Mabe to the omen. Mabe uguaba na utiebone. What we had to no give one no me lag before. You understand? Me meji me married do bulo mo but yes. I not come. Mabe ma yo mo ya gyo. No. Moga mommy returning. Mommy do returning with another fake account. Ya rena. Because this man not bring me up. You was insulting my father.
Only me ya boko.
Wait, let me say something, madam. Please, let me say something.
No.
I'm educated somebody. They say, brother, go teach you, madam. Me, I tell something now. Wait first. Madam, if you mute first now. We not be
I cannot mute. Don't tell me to mute. Or on your platform.
Yes, I know
A
that.
godi bully me. Can you listen to me? A godi
Yeah.
bully me. So that give me the power and the right ni effrontery ni yarema. Rema not because of Izzy Omoruyi. I am here because the person of bully Izzy Omoruyi has also laid cause for my children.
You understand me? Without
Yeah.
my
Why is she like
kind.
that? Why is she like that?
But
That is my own grief.
But what okay no te la dia no
On your
ati
grief,
as in
but
wait
to beg
now.
me now more where my
E
lady.
kunu ati la dia
Dan yo make no say me now more where ba.
Madam wait just wait.
Ima
Na me dey talk sis now.
but you need to attend to your child. Then of where
allow me
VNE.
talk now.
Then of you where VNE who carry attention of you
Madam,
when
no.
you
See, madam, I have 3 children with husband.
But who can get time in there?
Regularly, wa make any wa do wa.
Only Makaima.
Do you understand, madam? Una we wave no ne. Me wave no madam. Ewe bona, inwe vino. I can never see.
Attend over when so because I record the voice when we ne.
I don't see madam. I get to see
a government am we more esola dia mo wa
gbe mi mo because he want to take care of him. He will not have him now. Madam,
level o'clock you should be with your husband in your bed.
Mommy, Izzy, we not dey call for you.
Be with your husband, not on TikTok.
Mommy, Izzy, I dey call for you. Say my
Easy, we love you.